Salesflare versus Teamgate. Which CRM is best for sales pipelines? You're probably here because you're looking for the best CRM to streamline your sales process and improve your pipeline management. Both Salesflare and Teamgate promise to do just that, but the real question is, which one delivers the best value and features for managing your sales pipeline efficiently? Stick around, because I'm going to break down the pros and cons of both, and by the end, I'll let you know what I think is the best option, one that you won't want to miss. Let's start with Salesflare. This CRM positions itself as an intelligent solution that helps businesses save time and close deals faster. It automates a lot of the tedious tasks, such as data entry, by syncing with your email, calendar, and social media profiles. The next thing you'll notice is its simplicity. It's designed for small to medium-sized teams that want an easy-to-use, no-nonsense platform. However, while Salesflare excels in automation and ease of use, it's not perfect. Some users have pointed out that while its AI-powered features can be helpful, they might not be as advanced or customizable as other CRMs. Also, the reporting tools, though functional, don't give you the level of deep insights that some other CRMs might provide. Teamgate, on the other hand, also offers a streamlined approach to managing your sales pipeline. It's known for its clean interface and intuitive design. One of its key features is the visual sales pipeline, which lets you track deals with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Next thing you'll notice is that Teamgate offers a solid set of features for collaboration. It includes things like task management, project tracking, and activity feeds to keep your team aligned. However, Teamgate doesn't have the same level of automation as Salesflare. While it's great for organizing deals and managing contacts, it requires more manual input, which can be a downside if you're looking for an all-in-one, automated solution. Additionally, while its reporting tools are robust, they can sometimes be difficult to navigate and don't offer the same level of deep data analysis as some other CRMs out there. Next, let's talk about the integration capabilities of both platforms. Salesflare integrates seamlessly with major platforms like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and MailChimp, but it falls short when it comes to integrations with more niche tools or more advanced apps. On the other hand, Teamgate offers integrations with a wide range of third-party tools, from Zapier to Slack, so it may have the edge if you're working with a more complex tech stack. That said, both platforms lack certain integrations that larger enterprises might need. Another thing to consider is the mobile experience. Both CRMs offer mobile apps, but they're not created equal. Salesflare's mobile app is highly praised for its user-friendly interface and functionality. It provides you with all the features you'd expect on a desktop version, making it easy to manage your sales pipeline on the go. Teamgate's mobile app, however, has received mixed reviews. While it works well for basic CRM tasks, it doesn't offer the same level of convenience or usability, especially when it comes to reporting or advanced features. Finally, when it comes to pricing, both Salesflare and Teamgate offer a similar structure, with tiered plans based on the number of users and features. However, Salesflare's pricing can be a bit on the higher end, especially if you want access to advanced features like automation and AI-based insights. Teamgate, on the other hand, is a bit more affordable, making it a better option if you're working with a smaller budget but still need a solid CRM. Now, I've tried both of these CRMs myself, and while they both have their merits, there's one that stands out above the rest in terms of pipeline management and ease of use. The softwares mentioned in this video are solid, but after using all of them, I'd recommend you take advantage of the free trial for the CRM that I think offers the best solution for managing your sales pipelines. Click the first link in the description to get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.